we're going to be testing out 4 different glues. We're going to see which one makes a better slime. If you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina, and before we get on to the video, remember to hit that red subscribe button, and if you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up. Just so you guys know, I post Wednesdays and Saturdays, so if you check on those days, I should have a new video out. In last week's video, I asked you guys if you would rather have me do this video or a different video with clay, and I got more requests for the clay video, but I filmed that and it didn't really work out, so we're just going to do the glue video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So these are the 4 different brands of glue that we're going to be trying out. We're going to do Elmer's School Glue, Crazy Art, Elmer's Glue All, and Elmer's Extreme. So the first slime we're going to do is we're going to make some slime with Crazy Art. And we're going to make this fluffy, so we're going to add some shaving cream. And I'm going to make this slime pink, so I'm going to add 2 drops of pink food coloring. Now we're going to go ahead and add in our activator. Remember to do this slowly. If you want my activator recipe, I'll leave it in the description box down below. Okay, this is all done, and this is a really good slime. It's super soft and super stretchy. So now we're going to make some slime with some Elmer's School Glue. And this is going to be another fluffy slime, so we're going to add some shaving cream. I want this slime to be green, so I'm going to do a few drops of green food coloring. Now we can go ahead and activate. Remember to do this slowly. Okay, we are all done. This slime is so soft. This one is really good. Okay, now we're gonna make some slime with this Elmer's Extreme. I've never made a slime with this before. I'm kind of excited. Okay, this is super duper hard to get out. Okay, I finally got it out, and now we can add in our shaving cream. Okay, I want this slime to be blue, so I'm gonna add a few drops of blue food coloring. Time for activator. This slime took a lot of activator, but this is really cool. It's really thick and it's super duper buttery. It's really stretchy. I really like it. For our final slime, we're going to make some slime with Glue All. I hear this is another really thick glue. Now time for shaving cream. You know the drill. I kind of want to make this like an orangish coral color, so we're going to add some red food coloring and some yellow. Time to activate. Okay, this slime is super duper good. I love it. It is super stretchy, not as buttery as the other one, but this one is really good. So these are all the different slimes we made. So these are the 2 buttery slimes. This one is super duper thick and this one is not as thick. I think the Elmer's Extreme is better. Okay, so here is the Crazy Art and here is the Elmer's. The Crazy Art one was 50 cents at Walmart and the Elmer's was $1, so I don't really see a difference, so I say buy the Crazy Art one. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if it helped you guys, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!